Time keeps going by, changing days, but your shadow can never go away. Even though we're no longer together, our paths in life have gone in different directions. There's no need for regret, there's no need for tears on your face, because what's been through will always live in my heart. You're the most beautiful memory who ever stopped by in my life. Even though it didn't end like the story, thank you for being in this world. You're the most beautiful memory. Keep that smile in my chest. Even though it can't be mine, this love lasts forever. Maybe this is the path of destiny written. We felt happiness, laughter, and tears are witnesses. With you I feel alive. Don't worry about what happens, God has the best plan, let time answer. But this memory won't disappear. We are the most beautiful memory who ever stopped by in my life. Even though it didn't end like the story, thank you for being in this world. Oh, you are the most beautiful memory. Keep that smile inside my chest. Even though it can't be mine, this love lasts forever. The rhythm is getting more exciting. Oh, all the memories, all the love, I will keep it inside my heart forever and ever. Yeah, you are the most beautiful memory who ever stopped by in my life. Even though it didn't end like the story, thank you for being in this world. Yeah, you are the most beautiful memory. Keep that smile inside my chest. Even though it can't be mine, this love lasts forever. Forever, the most beautiful memory. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, listen, darling, yeah. One feeling of love. The sun rises and sets, a silent witness to the feelings in my heart. How great my love is, only for you, only for you. It's not just empty talk, not a false promise to what people say, who try to ruin our story. We walk, we feel. Let love speak only. You are the island where I anchor, the most peaceful harbor of my heart. Hold me, don't let go until the end of time. Even if storms come and hit, even if the world isn't as beautiful as it used to be, you don't need to doubt, trust me. My love is as high as the sky, as vast as the ocean, will never be consumed by time. Getting stronger the more I miss you. My love is as high as the sky, eternal forever, never disappear. No matter how far you go, this love is always for you, darling. Whoa, my darling, no one can replace you. No one can separate this bond of hearts. Yeah, yeah. One My love is as high as the sky, as vast as the ocean, will never be consumed by time. Getting stronger the more I miss you. My love is as high as the sky, eternal forever, never lost. No matter how far you go, this love is still for you, darling. For you, darling, as high as the sky. Oh, yeah. We've been in love for a long time, sharing stories, laughter, and tears. I thought everything would be beautiful. Turns out it's not as easy as I thought. You, darling, that your parents don't approve. They have their reasons, they have their ways. Refusing to be before my eyes. What did I do wrong? What am I lacking? That this love has become so complicated. I want to ask, I want to talk, but who am I to them? My love isn't approved, your parents, so no. This heart aches, it hurts so much, loving but not being able to have. My love isn't approved, your parents, oh yeah. Let the tears be the witness how great this love is for you, darling. not that I'm not trying to be the best. It's not that I don't want to make you happy, but the barrier is so high, separating us in our dreams. What did I do wrong? What am I lacking, that this love has become so complicated? I want to ask, I want to talk, but who am I to them? My love isn't approved, your parents don't know. This heart aches and hurts so much, loving but not being able to have. My love isn't approved, your parents, oh yeah. Let the tears bear witness how great this love is for you, darling. Rhythm gets stronger, the strumming gets louder. God, if this is my destiny, give me strength, give me patience, even though this heart is broken into pieces. Yeah, my love isn't approved, your parents don't know. This heart aches, it hurts so much, loving but not being able to have. My love isn't blessed, your parents, oh yeah. Let the tears bear witness how great this love is for you, darling. For you, darling. This love will never die, even if it's not blessed.